Hi there, I'm Lauren from Go for Growth, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to express interest in an NHS opportunity using the Atamis procurement portal. So the first thing we need to do is log into our Atamis account. We'll do this by selecting Login. Selecting Login will redirect you to your Atamis account homepage. Now, to find active opportunities, the next button we need to select is click here under Find Opportunities. Upon selecting click here, you'll again be redirected and you should now see tenders available. You will see at the top of your screen the option to search for a tender by name. You can sort the tenders by recently published, alphabetical, the expiry date, or by the contracting authority. You can also sort these by the tender status, so whether it's a future opportunity, a current opportunity, or an ended opportunity. And finally, you can also search using the map view. Selecting the map view will show you all locations where there may be opportunities. Anything highlighted in blue is where there is an active opportunity and the number of opportunities available. Anything highlighted in grey is an area with no current opportunities. For the purpose of today's video, I am going to be using a current opportunity. So I'm just going to select List View again. And I'm going to alter the status of opportunity to Current Opportunities. The tenders available have now updated below. Once you find an opportunity that you believe to be of interest, you'll select the blue link, which will redirect you to a more in-depth description of the opportunity. Once you've read over the full description of the opportunity available, if you are still interested in expressing interest, we'll now look at doing so. So to express interest in the opportunity, you'll select the Register Interest button here. Selecting Register Interest will ask you to confirm that you are happy for your details to be made visible to system users from the buying organisation. You will need to confirm whether you are happy to proceed. If so, select the blue Confirm button. Selecting Confirm will refresh the page to confirm that your registration request has been successfully submitted. You'll see in the yellow information bar that you will need to wait a few moments before you are able to access the opportunity. Now that you have successfully registered for the opportunity, to view the opportunity itself and download documents relevant to the tender, you will need to go back to your home page, find My Proposals and Quotes, select Click Here. You should now be able to see any opportunities that you have expressed interest in. To download the document, you'll need to select the opportunity, go to Documentation, you'll now see the specification documents. If you hover over where it says Download, you'll be able to select the blue link the document should download to your device. That brings me to the end of my demonstration. If there are any further questions or queries on expressing interest via the Atamis portal, please do get in contact. I hope this has been helpful.